Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on your JBL speaker. And to do this, first we'll need to power it on. There's a button for it right here. You should hear the sound, and now let's open Bluetooth on both of these devices just to show you that we're actually entering pairing mode. So in this case, there's a JBL connected with a smartphone, and we're gonna enter pairing mode and connect it on the iPhone instead. Now click on the Bluetooth button once. You'll also hear a sound. Now it should be visible in other devices. On your iPhone, click on it to pair. And as you can see, it's also paired to the iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.